Welcome to this episode of Just Lovely Living. Here's where we create the atmosphere for you to celebrate your grace, beauty, and style. I'm your host, Tiny D. Bryant, and in this episode, I am doing a simple project, fast and easy. It's a flower pot holder, and it's something that I wanted to create to go along with my floating shelf. So let's get started. Here are all the supplies I used for this project. I have this piece of cardboard that I got from packaging, from something I ordered online. I'm using this twine from Dollar Tree, clear glue from Dollar Tree. So first I'm going to pour the glue onto the piece of cardboard, and I'm just putting the glue on a small area to begin with, and then I'm going to thin it out. Now I'm only putting the glue on a small area because it does dry quickly. So we're just going to do one section at a time. We're going to take the twine and place it on the very edge of the circle here. Notice it is a little bit challenging to start on the edge so that it will stick, but after the first couple of rows it gets easier. And you want to pull the twine tight as you're going around as well. Now, this was a project that I wanted to do. I wanted to break up this plant that I have that you see here on the right. It's growing out of the pot that it's in, and I'm going to separate it into three. So this is why I'm creating this pot holder that I can place in my living room. Alright, so here you have after several layers here, and I put more glue on, and this is what it looks like. Almost finished, and there you have it, all the way to the other edge. So now I'm going to take these blocks that I got from the Dollar Tree as well, and these are going to be the stand for the pot holder. And I'm going to do 4 of these. All the way around. I'm going to use this adhesive, which I got from Dollar Tree as well. Now this adhesive is a little slippery, so once you put it on, you really got to hold your items in place until it holds on its own. I had to adjust it to make sure that it was straight. And once I felt like it was straight, I was able to put it to the side so it can dry. And I'm going to continue on to my next set. You can see how it slipped off a little bit. You really have to hold it in place to make it stick. Here I'm just marking where I'm going to place my blocks. You can eyeball this step here, but I wanted to make sure they were even. So I'm just marking the 4 areas that I'm going to place the blocks.
take my glue gun and place the glue onto the twine so that I can place the blocks on the twine. And my thought was to place all of the dark blocks on the bottom, but here you notice that I messed up and I have one where the dark block is on the top. So I'm just going to take that off and make my adjustment. Switch it over. So now here is the final project. I love it. Now, although I like the pot this way, I end up turning the pot holder the other way, and I like it just as well. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.